Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is August the 29th. We are out here in Covington, Georgia, and we're going to be in this area all day today. Do not have to go into the city today or tomorrow. So anyway, this is a new client. She found me on Google. Never came out here, did a in-home consultation. She booked her appointment based off pictures and information. What we're going to be doing here, guys, is a little bit over 600 square feet of engineered floor, wax removal, screen, recoat, and UV cure. All right, so we're doing that for $450 a square foot. And then we're also going to be, she said, Courtney, I was watching one of your YouTube videos and I saw that you was doing the countertops. Do you have time to do my countertops while you're here? And we do. So we're also going to do her countertops. When they did a consultation this morning in the same area for wax removal, and then after this we got to go do another countertop, just a countertop, and then we have another in-home consultation in the same area of Conyers for a wood floor. He's ready to move forward, but I told him since I'm already in the area, look at it and then we can get him on the schedule hopefully for next week. So anyway, guys, let's flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Covington, Georgia. I actually used to live in Covington. Show you what we got going. So we got the UV machine, the buffer. So these are those world famous engineered floors that you guys see us do a lot. And I'm gonna zoom in and you can just see all that buildup on the floor. All that buildup, guys, look at that. Now that's someone scratched the floor right here. That's a deep scratch. I'm gonna try to fill that in, but all this, guys, look at all that. All that acrylic wax on the floor. All right, so what we're gonna do first is liquid strip the floor. Sometimes we can get away with a dry strip, but with this much wax on the floor, you gotta wet strip it. Look at this, guys. Let me turn back. See all that? All right, so what we're basically doing is this foyer area right here and around the kitchen, and also these are the countertops we're also going to be doing. And you see a lot of residue and buildup also on these countertops. All right, guys, let's get this party started. Stay. I'm about to show my client the difference. Hold on. So you see over here, we haven't done none of this yet. Right. See all that? Mm-hmm. Now look this way. Okay. Yep. See all that wax coming off?
I do.
Yeah, you see it? Mm-hmm. So that's what we're doing. So removing the wax. Also T doing the countertop. And then what we're gonna do is get the rest of the wax off and then dry screen it and then put the poly down. So I just like to keep people in the loop, showing how everything's coming out. Okay. Yep. Looking good. Yes, ma'am. All right, guys, look at that difference from the angle. So I took all the wax off over here, and you can still see all the wax build up here. Let me step back and kind of zoom in. Look at this, guys. Look at all that build up. Look at that. See the difference? Look at the difference. All right, guys, we got the wax off the floor. Floors are cleaned. Now it's time to screen. Get some great abrasion. Countertops came out great. See that reflection? All right, we're gonna be going with Recoat satin. All right, guys, go ahead and get these floors abraded. Then we're gonna vacuum clean again. Always clean after screening. And I'm gonna let my client know because she said she might leave after we get the coating down. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got back to Covington. Oh, got a little footprint. No, there's just a little dust. Okay. Oh, man, look at these floors now, guys. Wow. Look like they just came from the factory. All right, guys, it has been a great day today. Went out, did an in-home consultation this morning. Wax removal, she hasn't booked yet. And then we came here, did these countertops, these floors, wax removal, screen and recoat. Now we're about the UV cure. Went and did another countertop for a repeat client who we did her floors 3 years ago. And then went and did another in-home consultation booked for Wednesday. So next week is looking good, going into the first week of September. And September is usually a good month as well, because about time, kids are settled into school. But I will say this August has been truly amazing. All right, guys, let's get this floor UV cured. Stay tuned. Come on in. Perfect timing. Look at these floors. Yes, ma'am. You come on, it's cute, yeah.
They look so good.
Yes, they do. See how smooth they feel? Yeah. Yeah. So we just got through with the UV cure. Right there. Yes, ma'am. Look at your countertops. Yeah.
It looks so nice.
Look, she messed up already.
Oh no, she's fine. It's sealed.
She look at us.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me get my paper towel.
Yeah.
Put it on there.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
Oh, there's the kitchen map. This is so cool.
See, they even know, the kids even see it.
Nice scan.
Yeah, those floors look. Wow.
We had to talk about that.
All right, guys. Client is so happy with the floors. That rag coat looks amazing on this floor. It looks so good. So, all right, guys. Nice. Rescreened, protected, UV cured. Furniture can go back same day. And that's going to do it. All right, guys. Tomorrow we're going to be in the basement, Duluth Country Club, doing some stone floors for a client that found me online. And we're going to do her floors tomorrow because they have a party tomorrow afternoon. All right, guys. See you in the next one.